In this video, I'm going to show you how to make, invoice, and maintain inventory in Zoho Books. After successfully accessing your Zoho Books homepage, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to enable the tracking inventory feature. To do this, on the upper right corner of the screen, simply navigate to the settings. In settings, simply go to preferences and navigate to general. In general, this will provide you various modules that you can enable or disable. When you scroll down, you can see in here Zoho Inventory Add-on enables Zoho inventory modules in your Zoho Books. So basically, when we turn this on, we will be starting to track the inventory of our items in our organization. Simply check this box, click Enable, then click Save. Now the Zoho inventory has been activated. Now we can start creating an invoice and maintain the tracking of inventory. Simply go back on the menu navigation on the left sidebar of the screen, navigate to Sales. Under Sales, go to Invoices. And on the upper right corner, click the Create Invoice button. In here, you simply input the customers, the invoice number, invoice date, and other necessary information. And in the item table, simply input the item in here. After filling out the form, simply click Save as Draft or Save and Send. Let's say Save and Send. And now the invoice has been created and we have now maintained our inventory. And that's about it. That's how to make, invoice, and maintain inventory in Zoho Books. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.